Okay, so we're here at Blacksmith Beach. This is the entry to it. It's called Awalaka Street or something, or Avenue, I don't know. Anyway, it's just me and the Triton. Reason being is George is actually overseas on his honeymoon. He's just been married. Congratulations, George. I'm sure a lot of people will be leaving in the comments. A bit risky today. I've come out without tracks and I've come out without a compressor. Two stupid things. Don't do that for the beach. I'm telling you that I've done that, so you know what not to do. Reason being is obviously George is overseas. He had him in his garage. I haven't been able to go pick him up from his house. Never been to Blacksmith, so it should be interesting. Sorry about the delay in videos as well, guys. We haven't had time to upload lately. We haven't been off-roading much. Work has been crazy. George's just been married, so I'm sure he's understand. As for now, both tyres, back is down to 11 psi, given that there's not much weight in the back. The fronts are down to 16 at the moment. Reason being, the front of the car has a lot more load than the back at the moment, and the whole point of deflating is to widen your footprint of your tyres, so you're less likely to sink in. So realistically, I'm able to achieve the same result by deflating less at the front and more at the back, given the weight difference from front to the back of the vehicle. Stay tuned, enjoy the video. Remember, leave in the comments what you did like, what you didn't like, and please subscribe if you are liking the channel. God bless. So just driving along, and just seeing this guy stuck as he gets. Do you need help?
Maybe alright.
I've got a snatch rope if you need one. Okay. Those tyres look fully pumped. Let's see if this will help. Got a big log here. Keep going. Yep. Go. So I think he's a bit inexperienced. He's slowed down in the soft stuff, and he's not getting out. He can't build up enough momentum to get out, and he won't let me tow him out, so I sort of don't know how to help anymore. I think I'm just going to watch him until he lets me help, and I'll help him. Until then I can't really do much. He's going to let me help him a little bit. What we're going to do is hook up into the pin of his tow bar, and I'm going to try pulling him up onto this harder stuff over here, because all over here is extremely soft. So yeah, wish us luck. Let's see how we go. Should be able to get out now. Yes. Go. Good job. See you, buddy. Don't slow down. We're finally here. So this is Blacksmith Beach. The old Triton, L200. Also got this place. Amazing. 35-inch tyres, block front and back. Suspension lift kit, front bar. It's also had a tune, and that's the beach. So it's probably the perfect destination to bring a family. You got nice big waves behind, good fishing spot. You also got a nice lagoon out back. This is Blacksmith Beach. It's probably the heart of it. So when you come out onto the beach, you go left, probably about 5 k's, and you end up in this beautiful spot over here. Perfect destination for a family getaway. Camp here overnight, set up your bonfire. Doesn't get much better than this. The water's beautiful. You got the big crashing waves on the other side of that. Australia really is beautiful. Joe! Going again! Going in!
Nah.
So I couldn't do it. Listen man, keep your foot down and I think you'll do it. Let's see how the Hilux goes. I just found out the Hilux had his front and rear locked. My center was only locked, my diff locker wasn't activated, so we've just locked the rear. It's still flashing because Mitsubishi, you are poor at getting your electronics to work fast enough. Got it. Okay, let's see how we go. Got up higher.
Yeah.
Got up higher than before. Let's give it one more time before crap. Stay away from that side. Oh, I'm happy again. Let's go. Come on, Triton. Let's go, Triton.
Let's go. Pick up.
Go, son.
There we go.
Go, son. Yeah,
Yo!
mate. Woo! Ah, far out. Really diff lock it is. Okay. The rear diff lock is what it was. Second time up. tried the Hilux, still not much easier than we did, but it just shows what mud tyres and front and rear lockers can do. Okay, doing a drag race now. Gonna leave at the same time, straight up that hill. Let's see who gets there. Flat tire, and that's the con of not having a air compressor on you when you're here somewhere out. But thank God for people like this that are able to help if you need a hand. So as soon as we put about maybe 10 or 15 psi back in there, we'll be back on the road. So that's Blacksmith Beach. Amazing, amazing. In my mind, it's the perfect family getaway. Anyone out there that has just any four-wheel drive with road tyres, with the right, obviously, knowledge to air down to the right pressure and right equipment, in case you do happen to get bogged here or there, it's the perfect getaway, and anyone can do it. It's only 2 hours out of Sydney, and the beach goes forever. And yeah, you got the lagoon for the little ones, and it's not that deep, so you're not worried about your little ones drowning. And you got the beach with the big hard crashing waves with beautiful water on the other side. So I mean, yeah, the boogie boarding on the sand, unfortunately we were stopped 10 minutes into it. It's illegal on that beach. We got stopped and we were warned by the rangers. So I do not advise that anyone does that or attempts to do that. But at Stockton Beach, we have done that before as well, and we're out there probably for an hour doing that at Stockton, and no one had a problem with it. So I don't know if it's legal there, but I definitely know that no one pointed out that it wasn't illegal. I don't know what that means. Anyway, me personally, especially after this experience, I don't think I would ever go below 15 psi on soft sand like that. It's so easy to roll the tyre off. It's so easy to, that's what happened with me, have sand or anything just build up in between the tyre and the rim, and it creates a channel basically for air to just shoot out from. So yeah, that was my experience today. The Hilux is an absolute beast, far out. So I think it has a 3-inch body, 3-inch suspension lift, and 35-inch tyres. It's locked front and rear. What more do you want? Thing's an animal. So yeah, it clearly outclassed the Triton today, but I mean, as you would expect it to. But yeah, definitely shocked me. I didn't expect it to be that good. But yeah, please drop in the comments below your positive and negative feedback on the video and the channel in general. And for anyone that is enjoying the channel, anyone that enjoyed watching today's episode, please subscribe. It keeps us going. Give us your feedback. Give us a thumbs up. God bless you guys. Please remember the Bible verses that we do leave in the comments. And remember, Jesus Christ is Lord and Saviour. There is no way to the Father unless through Him. And if you don't know what that means, just shoot a comment below. We're happy to send out free Bibles to anywhere in Australia. God bless, guys.